Good morning. My name is Glycerio B. Gumandoy. I am applying for building electrician position. I am Filipino. I am 39 years of age. I am a Roman Catholic residing at the Visayas at Cebu City, Philippines. I am married, having with 3 children. I've graduated my course as BSIT, Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in Electrical at CTU Min, Cebu Technological University, Main Campus. I have TISDA certificate in C2, which are Electrical Installation and Maintenance. I have also attending a leadership training seminar before, talking more about how to handle people or co-workers. Here are my work experience. I have a total of 8 years working experience as electrician position, 4 years in International Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and 4 years in local here in the Philippines. Recently, I am working now at the Flats CBP as electrician position at Cebu Business Park, Ayala, Cebu City, Philippines. Former working at LSIP Engineering Contracting Company as electrician position at Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Former working at Solinia Towers as electrician position at Cebu Business Park, Ayala, Cebu City, Philippines. Former working at Riala Abida Towers as electrician position at IT Park, Apas, Cebu City, Philippines. Former working at Park Point Residence as electrician position at Cebu Business Park, Ayala, Cebu City, Philippines. Here are my duties and responsibilities. I know how to read and understand electrical blueprint, schematic diagram, layout and estimate. Perform of tracing all electrical pipes in the slab by using steel face tape and GI tie wire. Perform box setting of all switches and convenience outlet in room, units, and hallways based as per drawing layout. Perform a PVC pipe installation for all invaded areas. Perform EMT and IMC pipe bending for all exposed installation. Perform wiring, cable pulling, and cable termination. Conduct a continuity measure test for all installed wiring. Perform a troubleshooting for electrical issues by using appropriate testing device. Perform of installation of lighting fixtures and devices. Perform pipe installation and cable tray installation. Perform grounding installation and lighting protection down conductor and conduct grounding test using earthing tester. Conduct a testing and commissioning for all installed electrical panels, DBs, SMDBs, and MDBs. I want to work Europe because I want to give a better future for my family and my children. Thank you.